Hello there everyone, my name is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about what programming language should I learn as a beginner. And for those that are new to my channel, my name is Felix, and here we talk about all things coding, and I focus on helping people who are on their coding journey, who are learning how to code. It can be a computer science student completing their degree, or even just a complete beginner that is learning how to program. So today I'm going to give you actionable tips you can use to guide you and decide which programming language to learn. And this will help you moving closer to accomplish your goals. So first, why should we talk about this subject? Why should you care about choosing a programming language? And as we're going to see, a programming language that is tailored to your needs and your motivations and goals. So when I learned how to code, I remember that I felt pretty overwhelmed as a total beginner, because there's a lot of technologies and programming languages out there that they may sound very complex to you, such as Java, such as C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you can get pretty overwhelmed and frustrated because you don't know where to start. So this is why you should care about this, because picking that first programming language is going to be crucial, and because it's going to help you achieve your goals in the coding journey. If you want to learn it just for fun, or if you want to land a job in the future. So this is going to help you accomplish your goals. So my approach that I'm going to give you today, and the actionable tips, is based on the perspective that I'm keeping in mind your goals and interests, and what I've seen through the years and working with a lot of students is that coding is a long-term thing, so you may lose motivation, and sometimes you may even learn the wrong things. Sorry about that. That are not going to help you move closer to your goals. You're not going to feel fulfilled. So my goal is to help you feel fulfilled on learning the right thing, or the right technology, programming language, that is going to help you accomplish your goals when it comes to coding. So what should you do? So the first thing I always tell my students is that first you should identify your goals. That's number one. You should first know what you want to accomplish by learning how to code. So this can be, do you want to get a job in the tech industry? So if this is the case, this is how I would approach it. So the first thing is I would research the market, right? I would research for the particular role in my area, or the area that I want to work in. And I would go to websites such as Indeed.com, and I would type, for example, web developer, and I will type in the area, let's say New York, for example. Sorry about that. So I would do that, and then I will read all the job descriptions, right? And what you're going to see as a pattern in the job descriptions is that you're going to see a couple of technologies or programming languages that are going to appear as a pattern. And my suggestion is, go ahead and pick up the most that repeat itself, the most in demand. That's a perfect word to describe it. And start from the simplest one from there. So going back to the example, you want to be a web developer, you're going to see things like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I will go with HTML. Start with HTML, learn how it works, then move from there. So what this is going to do is that you're going to learn skills that are going to be in demand because you search the demand in your area, right? And you're going to learn a programming language that's going to help you become a web developer. So in the long term, you're going to feel motivated because, of course, in my opinion, what I've seen, my experience, because you're going to think about, okay, I want to be a web developer. So it's going to tailor you in your interests. You know, you're not going to learn other things that are not related to that role, you know, because coding, computer programming is very broad. There's a lot of fields, a lot of things you could do with it. There's data science, there's machine learning, there's artificial intelligence, or AI for short. So we got to stay in our lane. So we got to stay in what we want. So what's going to happen is that you're going to help you accomplish your goals, which is become a web developer. Now, on the other hand, if you want to learn it just for fun, my suggestion, in my experience, is Python is the good place to start. Because when compared to other programming languages, what I've seen through the years, Python is easier to read and to write. And it's a lot cleaner, of course, in my opinion, to other programming languages, such as Java, or even C++, where you have things as called pointers. So, which they can scare a lot of people that have never learned how to code, have never seen a document like that in front of them. So Python is a little smoother. So if you just are a complete beginner and you just want to do it for fun, I recommend Python. And the other upside of Python is that if later on you change your mind, right, and you want to go ahead and get a job in the tech industry, Python has a lot of demand and career opportunities I've seen. For example, data science, machine learning, in different industries. You know, it can be finance, it can be even medicine. So there's a lot of places that you can move with Python. So that will be my suggestion and my advice as a starting point if you just want to do it for fun. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and click that thumbs up button and be sure to click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video, because I'm posting regularly. I'm uploading content that can help you succeed. And also go ahead and share this video with a friend who is learning how to code and they have no idea where to start. You know, this advice may help them and change their life and just guide them to the right direction, because that's my goal. Serve as a mentor and as a guide to help you achieve your goals when it comes to coding. So I see you on the next video, and have a great day, guys. This was Felix from Felix the Dev.